Hello guys, how you all doing? In today's video we're gonna see if batteries retain their charge when they're frozen. I have 4 different batteries here, the big one, 9 volt, and AA and AAA batteries. So I'm gonna put them into the freezer for 24 hours and then see if they actually retain their charge. And I have this little device here, so I'll be able to check if batteries are actually full of charge. But first of all, I'm gonna check all these batteries and see if they're full of charge before putting them into the freezer. I'm gonna check their temperature. They're all supposed to be in room temperature. 71 Fahrenheit or 21 Celsius. So it's this one, 21 Celsius, and this one, 19 Celsius, and this one is 19 Celsius too, or 20. So they're all pretty much room temperature. So I'm gonna check and see if they're all full of charge. This one is charged. That one is charged as well. Yep, charged as well. And this one too. So as you guys could see, they're all fully charged and they're all in room temperature. So let's put them into the freezer and we'll come back in 24 hours. Alright, these batteries have been in the freezer for 24 hours. Well, let's see if they're actually fully charged. Well, first of all, let's see how cold they are. -8 degrees Celsius, or 13.5 degrees of Fahrenheit. 26 degrees Fahrenheit, or -3 Celsius, that's crazy. -4 Celsius, almost 24 Fahrenheit. This one is almost 32 Fahrenheit, which is pretty much 0 degrees Celsius. As you can see, these are pretty cold batteries. Let's see if they actually retain their full charge. Let's test this big one. Wow, it's actually full of charge, and it's -8 degrees Celsius. Look at that, full charge again. What about AA battery? Still full charge. I'm pretty sure this AAA will be full charge too. Look at that, it's a full charge. Well, as you guys could see, all these batteries actually retain their full charge. That's pretty cool. So technically you can put them in the freezer for at least 24 hours and they will be fine. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.